What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today is day one of the Datsun SR521 build. I'm working on the rear bumper because what's on there is old and busted. I've got a ton of parts to show you, so let's go check them out. Here we have a front air dam. You see a lot of these on Datsun 510s. You see them on old school Corollas. So this is pretty nice. It's a little light as far as the metal goes. It's not super heavy duty, which is kind of nice though, because I would imagine we're going to need to have some flex in the front. So that's going to be a nice one. Should be pretty easy to install. Looking forward to that. All right, over here, we'll stick with the front. Here we have what is, I hope, a stock bumper. I got this off of eBay from somebody who was parting out their pickup. They said it was a 1971, so it should match up perfectly on this truck. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, we got some rust. Not too bad. Looks like it's a lot of surface rust. The bumper's pretty straight. We got a little dent right here. Nothing major. I might be able to get hammered out. I don't know. Looks like it came with a little bit of hardware, which also, rust. Yeah, that looks good. That is not bad. Let's take a look at these guys. You may be wondering what they are, and it is a split bumper setup. Bam! Look at that. Got these off of also eBay, and they came in from Taiwan. They had all kinds of different people selling them, and it looks like they were all the same bumper kits or pieces, and they ranged anywhere from like $44 to $144. So I went for the cheapest ones that I could get because they all looked identical, and this is what came in. I don't know if this is a Taiwan specific bumper setup for the 521 because it seems to be all I could find, and they were all coming out of Taiwan, or maybe just in Asia in general. This was their specs where they had a split bumper setup. Regardless, I do like it. I think it'll look super cool on the back of the truck. This is a smooth steel roll pan from a company called Twisted Images. They are out of California, and they do a lot of custom fabrication work for these old Datsuns. I'm a huge fan of their work. I found this roll pan on Amazon, of all places. It is exactly what I wanted. And this is going to go on the back of the truck, underneath the tailgate, and it's going to really give that truck a smooth, clean, finished look. Last piece that we have over here is these little tail lights. And right now I will tell you that these are not the stock tail lights for this car. I thought they were, but I don't think they are, and I'll tell you why. I have here from the manufacturer the mounting brackets for the tail lights for this truck, and these are it right here. Everything that I've seen online tells me that this is correct. These are the right size. This is everything that we're looking for. However, when you look at these little things, clearly that's not going to work. There's no way to make that work. I'm going to opt not to use these. I've got something else coming in that's going to give the truck a nice clean look. Alright, that's enough looking at these parts. Let's get out there and get to work. is super heavy. There's some pre-existing holes down here, so I'm just going to go ahead and utilize those to mount these brackets. Well, I wasn't planning on having the taillights in time for this video, but since I'm taking so long, they made it. Thanks, Amazon. They're simple, kind of generic, kind of a one-size-fits-all, but they look sharp.